In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet using your cell phone. Managing virtual meetings on the go has never been easier, and with Google Meet, you have a powerful tool right in the palm of your hand. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can start joining or hosting meetings effortlessly. To begin, grab your cell phone and open up Google Calendar. If you haven't already, you might need to download the Google Calendar app from your App Store. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll see a view of your month's schedule. This is your starting point to set up a new meeting. Next, tap on a specific time slot to begin scheduling your Google Meet meeting. You'll be prompted to enter some details for your new event. This is where you'll give your meeting a name. Think of a concise, clear title that communicates the purpose of your meeting. Once you've typed in the name of the meeting, you've laid the groundwork. Moving forward, you'll want to select more options. This will expand your choices and allow you to customize your meeting further. Among the options, look for an option that says Add Google Meet Video Conferencing and tap it. This step will create a Google Meet link attached to your event, making it easy for participants to join with just a click. Now let's talk about notifications. It's a good practice to set a notification that alerts you and your attendees a few minutes before the meeting starts. You'll see a field to type in the number of minutes you'd like as your advance reminder. This keeps everyone prepared and punctual, enhancing the flow of your meeting. After setting up notifications, add attendees. In the attendees section, you can input the email addresses of everyone you wish to invite. As you add each email address, they become an integral part of the meeting invitation. Once you've inputted all necessary information and your list of attendees, it's crucial to click on Save. Saving your event locks in all the details you've entered, preventing any accidental loss of information. However, the process doesn't stop here. To ensure that your invited attendees receive the meeting link and details, click the Send button after saving. This will dispatch email notifications to your attendees, providing them with all the details they need to join the meeting. And there you have it. You've scheduled a meeting using Google Meet on your cell phone. With this method, you have a reliable way to manage your virtual communications effectively. Whether you're coordinating a team meeting or catching up with colleagues, Google Meet on your mobile is your go-to solution. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us for more tech tutorials.